Practice reading sentences. Start with I can see. Children, let's read. I can see a busy ant carrying a crumb to its tiny home. I can see a rainbow after the rain with colors so bright. I can see a fluffy clouds shaped like animals in the sky. I can see a butterfly fluttering by like a delicate fairy. I can see the moon peeking through my window at night. I can see my family laughing and playing together. I can see a magical castle on top of a hill. I can see a friendly scarecrow guarding the pumpkin patch. I can see a sparkling ocean with waves crashing on the shore. I can see a superhero's cape waiting for me to wear. I can see a cozy blanket fort in the living room. I can see a tiny ladybug crawling on a leaf. I can see a shooting star making wishes come true. I can see a dinosaur hiding in the backyard bushes. I can see my reflection in the shiny mirror.